Warning. The sound you're about to hear is an exhaust that some guys will like, some guys will not like. It's basically what your preference is. To me, louder is better. To some people, louder is not. Before we get started, I'll go over the details very quickly. Pace setter long tube headers, 2.5-inch exhaust piping, cat deletes, X pipe, 2 cherry bomb glass packs, quad tips, and then of course cold air intake, Screaming Demon coil pack, and some other stuff. Check out the video description where you can buy the headers and everything else. Alright, so slow throttle test. About 2,500 RPMs maxed. Alright, test number 2. We're going about 41 right now. We're gonna wait till we're around the bend. 37 miles per hour. We've got both windows down. All right, next test, we're putting the windows up. And we're not gonna punch it from a stop. We're gonna slowly pull out and then slowly, I mean, not slowly, but we're gonna increase the RPMs then. Oh, that's just funny, guys. Check this out. So the high temp header paint that I used is supposed to be for 1500 to 2000 degrees. Yeah, that burned up. Oh, it looks nasty. I should scrape this off sometime when it cools down.